Today I'm going to be reviewing QimKero. These are a HDMI mini adapter to a regular HDMI. So you put the HDMI in there, and on the other side you get the mini. I wanted it for this computer screen. I had this little computer here, and so I wanted to be able to hook into the side there. I wanted the adapter. I already had the HDMI cord, so why pay extra? I got the adapter. You can see it just fits in there. It doesn't fit in there fully, which isn't a problem at all. It works perfectly. As you can see, you got that monitor and it's projecting on there. This does really well. It gets 4.6 stars on Amazon. 500 of these were bought last month. I was looking for something inexpensive that would do exactly what I wanted. This is it. Like I said, you got the HDMI mini and you've got this little cap on the end, and then of course your HDMI goes into there. It does 8K UHD. No problem. I got exactly what I wanted to be able to use that monitor onto here with the adapter. So I'm really happy. I wasn't expecting much other than it to work. These are ones that as of now, you can get them overnight. If you need to, if you spend enough money, they'll send these for free overnight. I am pretty happy. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.